I believe this is an artistic collaboration between JW Marriott Mumbai Sahar and Swarovski Gemstone India. Passion made edible, an exclusive experience with chocolate creations, showcasing first time in the world chocolate jewelry embellished with Swarovski zirconia. It's a unique and innovative concept will surely be impressed and inspire everyone. I would like to congratulate and thanks Mr. Santosh Rawat, a creative and talented chef of JW Marriott, who has invented and created this chocolate jewelry embellished with Swarovski zirconia, and a great contribution by the entire team of JW Marriott for making this event and collaboration very successful. Thank you so much.
So I'm really happy to be here at the JW Marriott to inaugurate Passion Made Edible with Swarovski. I think Chef has done an incredible job. You know, I have worked with chocolate. I do understand chocolate, and I think if truth be told, this is not only a very beautiful collection, but it's a very difficult collection to make. Chocolate is very temperamental, and what Chef has done with his pieces is just magic. I could wear this. I could seriously wear this. I mean, if I didn't know it was chocolate, I would not know it was chocolate. But this is pure art, and I think it's a wonderful collaboration on both your sides.
It's always good to be back at JW Marriott Mumbai Sahar. Of course, it is a very luxurious hotel. I've done a lot of big fat Indian luxury weddings here and stayed here and come here in different occasions. But Passion Made Edible, that's an interesting new concept, and I think what better brands for luxury and passion than Swarovski and of course the JW Marriott Mumbai Sahar. But I was shocked to see that there were only Swarovski stones in the jewelry, and everything else is made out of chocolate, edible chocolate.
My name is Dietmar Killenhofer, and I'm the general manager of the JW Marriott Mumbai Sahar. The idea Passion Made Edible has been a very long time in the making. For the last 6 months, our team has diligently worked together to make this concept a reality. When we did the brainstorming, we wanted to be associated with a luxury brand. And naturally, what came to our mind was Swarovski. So you have two luxury brands here, Swarovski in the gemstone market, and in the accommodation and hospitality industry, JW Marriott. So it was a collaboration made in heaven. Today is a very important day because it's the first time that two luxury brands came together, and I'm delighted that we have this opportunity to team up with Swarovski. And I think our pastry chef has done an amazing job. He was working diligently for the last couple of weeks to create some very unique piece of art. We do associate art usually with literature, music, fashion, even to the movie industry. But this time we came up with something totally different. And I suggest you come by and experience yourself what we have done.
Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Rawat and I am the executive pastry chef for JW Marriott Sahar. Here we bring for you a concept called Passion Made Edible. So the concept is basically, using our chocolate jewelries that we have created in collaboration with Swarovski. This is something which is very unique, and personally I would, like to do something different. So this is something which came into my mind. I think it was 1 year back, and today is the day when it has been executed. For me, I think jewelry is something which is very luxurious, and it goes very well with our brand JW Marriott Sahar as well as Swarovski. When we started this, I think it was 1 week prior what we started the whole prep. The first step was to identify the design, getting the molds created. So it was not easy, but it was very critical when it came to getting the temperature out. Chocolate is not very easy to handle. So this is something which was very difficult for us, but then I think at a later stage we got used to it, and finally we got what we wanted. So we have got some unique designs with us. We have also created few designs which are from Swarovski as well. So the major idea is amalgamating both the brands together and creating something which is unique to the world, I would say, not even only to India but to the world. Thank you.